Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable keyboard vibration haptic on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to enable keyboard vibration haptic on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. For this, you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Sounds and Haptics. Here's that, tap on it. And here just scroll down whenever you found keyboard feedback. Here's that, tap on it. And here you have to enable keyboard haptics. Just tap on it and then it will be enabled. If you want to enable sound, just tap on it and it will be also enabled. And now once you use your keyboard on your iPhone, so you will get the vibration or haptics of your keyboard. So that's how you can enable keyboard vibration haptic on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.